a tutorial for a throw and reverse escalator. And from the back, so the first thing we're going to do is look at this reverse escalator, and the way that I do it, and I catch it on the same side, so I start with the right hand and I catch it on the right side as well, so I don't go over to the opposite side. I'm going to hold my hoop and I'm going to fold it over to the front like so, and I'm going to put my arm up, and as I do, I'm going to let the hoop fold down so it goes behind me, over my head, behind me, and then I'm going to stick out my opposite knee, so my left knee is going to stick out, and the hoop will fall down, and then you'll catch it on the same side. Okay, so let's have a look at that in real time. So it's up here, fold forward, it's going to go around the back, and I catch on the same side. One more time. Fold forward, goes around me, opposite knee sticks out, and catch on the same side. So the knee acts like a guide, so it kind of allows it to come down and fall on this side neatly. If you don't have the knee going on, then it will go a little something like that, which isn't what we want it to look like. So from the back, fold forwards, it's going to go around the back of me, knee is out, and I catch on the same side. One more time. Fold forward, stretch out that arm, goes around, knee, catch on the same side. So once you've got that bit down, what we're going to do is we're going to add that throw. So you're just going to practice throwing the hoop up and catching it. Okay, so we don't want it going over there or over here, so just a nice little throw and catch. Once you've got that throw and catch, you're going to put your arm up and out. Okay, so your arm is going to go. Yeah, so throw and catch from the back, and then arm comes out. So when I'm doing the turn, I put my arm up and then I turn away as the hoop comes down. Obviously sticking that knee out as you do that turn. A little bit more tricky, but it is a trick, so please do enjoy it. It's up to you what you want to do with it. I would love to see what you do with it. Please show me, and yeah, keep on. See you later. Bye.